ImagineFun.
Hey everybody, we are at Peterson Cat in Salem, Oregon, and we're gonna check out some
skid steers.
Yeah, we're gonna check out some skid steers. Now to answer the age-old question, who's faster, tires versus tracks? This episode of Kids Imagine Fun, where we drag race these two awesome skid steers. Who's faster? Tire, tracks,
Traveling.
yeah!
You will be the winner. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Logan, the skid steer with the tires, is the winner! Awesome!
Skid steer! What's up, babe? Yeah, very cool.
Hey guys, check it out! We're at Peterson Cat in Salem, Oregon, and we're checking out a skid steer! Over here. Let's go check it out.
All right, let's go. Come on.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Cool, you guys! Yeah, big tracks, huh?
Yeah, it's a huge bucket, huh?
Yeah, this bucket is so big, you guys. Wow.
Ah. Look! Whoa!
You guys.
It can move Daddy. Yeah, Logan, do you know what the parts are? What is this? What is that called? Very good. What is that? The track? Very good. It has no wheels, you're right. That's a big track. Very cool. Yeah, what else? Oh, do you see? You see inside?
Yes.
Is that the engine? Do you know what that is? That's where you put gas. Yeah. Is that so cool? Yeah.
Pumpkin.
Whoa. Oh my goodness.
Wow, you made it up the skid steer. Say hi, Gabe. Watch out, bud. Turn around. Turn around. Whoa.
Whoa.
You're gonna have to follow my lead, okay?
Whoa.
Whoa! Look at Logan go!
Woo! Go, Logan! Oh, he's going backwards. Ah! Oh, they're gonna go forward. Whoa, brothers drive. They're lowering the bucket.
Nice.
Whoa! Woo! Good job, Logan.
Here, switcheroo. Come on over, bud. 1, 2, 3. You want to go on the skid steer?
Ah!
Ooh.
Austin's turn.
Whoa, that's way up there, huh?
Can you see, buddy?
Have you stand right there, okay? What do you think? The pumpkin is right back there. You want to start the skid steer for me? No? The pumpkin is back there. No? Oh, look at this. Hey.
Austin, look at the horn. Oh!
Oh, one more time, one more time.
Ah!
Good job. Is that cool?
Oh!
You better have this thing down. We're gonna lower this one, okay? You wanna put it down? Yeah, go sit up there.
Go sit up there,
Go sit up
Austin.
there, bud. Here you go.
Oh!
In the skid steer.
Woo!
In the skid steer. Woo!
And you're gonna start it up. Whoa! Okay. Whoa! There you go. Oh! Yay! Woo! Look at you go!
Lift the
Yeah, lift the bucket. Oh. Logan, that's brother. Whoa. Yeah, is Austin driving? Whoa. Whoa. Very cool.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
A special thanks to everybody at Peterson Cat for letting us come out and play on a skid steer.
It was so much fun.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.